Today we're going to read every chapter. We're going to read a chapter a day from the Bible. That's another idea I had, and we're going to do this every single day, so one chapter a day. Here we go. Genesis, chapter 1, beginning of the world. In the beginning, God created the sky and the earth. The earth was empty, it had no form. Darkness covered the ocean, and God's Spirit was moving over the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, so he divided the light from the darkness. God named the light day and the darkness night. Evening passed, and morning came. This was the first day. Then God said, "Let there be something to divide the water into two." So God made the air and placed some of the water above the air and some below it. God named the air sky. Evening passed and morning came. This was the second day. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered together so the dry land will appear." And it happened. God named the dry land earth, and the water that was gathered together seas. God saw it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth produce plants, some to make grains for seeds, and others to make fruits with seeds in them. Every seed will produce more of its own kind of plant." And it happened. The earth produced plants with grain for seeds, and trees that made fruits with seeds in them. Each seed grew its own kind of plant. God saw that all this was good. Evening passed and morning came. This was the third day. Then God said, "Let there be light in the sky to separate day from night. These lights will be used for signs, seasons, days, and years. They will be in the sky to give light to the earth." And it happened. So God made the two large lights. He made the brighter light to rule the day, and made the smaller light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God put all these in the sky to shine on the earth, to rule over the day and over the night, and to separate the light from the darkness. God saw that all these things were good. Evening passed and morning came. This was the fourth day. And God said, "Let the waters be filled with living things, and let birds fly in the air above the earth." So God created the large sea animals and every living thing that moves in the sea. The sea is filled with these living things, with each one producing more of its own kind. He also made every bird that flies, and each bird produces more of its own kind. God saw that this was good. God blessed them and said, "Have many young ones, so that you may grow in number from the water of the seas, and let the birds grow in number on the earth." Evening passed and morning came. This was the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth be filled with animals, each producing one of its own kind. Let there be tame animals and small crawling animals and wild animals. Let others produce more of its kind." And it happened. I ain't finishing this.